In less than 24 hours, the process to dismantle encampments in parks around the city of Hamilton will begin. This comes after a vote at today's City Council meeting. Julie Sharp joins us live outside of City Hall with the details. Julie.
Hi, good evening, Al. Yes, earlier today I was down at City Hall and there was a lot of back and forth regarding what role the Hamilton Police will play when it comes to enforcing this bylaw.
That vote carries 13-2.
Hamilton City Councillors voted 13-2 in favor of moving forward with a plan to carry out its post-encampment protocol. This plan involves dedicated officers, which requires additional funding.
4 of those officers, should the recommendation be approved, would be moving over to the encampment work related to the parks bylaw. What that will do is leave our staff with 5 individuals, 5 officers to enforce those bylaws. So there is a significant impact in the service.
And I want MLE to be equipped to succeed to meet our customer service demand.
There's lots of back and forth between the councillors here at City Hall regarding the post-encampment protocol. Councillor Kretz says using police enforcement to remove encampments and to uphold the municipal parks bylaw is not the way to go.
The federal housing advocate, who's an arm of the National Housing Strategy and who has a legislative mandate on the subject, wrote to council today and said, this isn't the way to go. Forcing evictions is not the way to go. And we saw before we had this version of the encampment protocol, the kinds of impacts that people suffered.
While Kretsch says Hamilton doesn't have the resources to provide housing to everyone that needs, Ward 8 Councillor John Paul Dankel says we can't ignore the investments that are being made to address the housing crisis.
The City of Hamilton is spending about $200 million in the 2025 budget to support housing and homelessness. We are making unprecedented investments in long-term solutions and also emergency solutions to address the issues as they are on the ground.
Healthy and safe communities and public works have both been asked to revisit access programs when it comes to park washrooms and recreation center showers. Again, this will all take effect starting tomorrow.